What is a top-level domain, TLD, in DNS? Imagine typing a website address and wondering what the last part of that address really means. That final part is called the top-level domain, or TLD. It's the last piece of a domain name, like the .com in google.com or the .org in wikipedia.org. The TLD plays a big role in how the Internet organizes and finds websites. In the world of the domain name system, or DNS, TLDs sit just below the root zone, which is like the top of a giant tree. When your computer wants to find a website, it asks a series of servers. First, it contacts the root server, which points it to the right TLD server. Then, the TLD server directs it to the specific server that has the website's details. This process makes finding websites quick and reliable. There are different kinds of TLDs. The most common are the generic top-level domains, or GTLDs. These include .com for commercial sites, .org for organizations, .net for network providers, for educational institutions, and .gov for government agencies. These are used all over the world and aren't tied to any specific country. Next are the country code top-level domains, or CCTLDs. These are specific to countries or territories. For example, UK is for the United Kingdom, JP for Japan, and CA for Canada. They help show where a website is based or who it's meant for. There are also sponsored top-level domains, or SDLDs. These are special TLDs managed by organizations representing particular communities or sectors. Examples include Museum for museums and Arrow for the aviation industry. Every TLD is managed by a registry organization, which is overseen by the Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers, or ICANN. This setup keeps the DNS system organized and stable across the globe. When you type a website address, the DNS system uses the TLD to help find the right server. It starts at the root, then moves to the TLD server, and finally reaches the server that holds the website's actual data. This hierarchy helps websites load faster and keeps the Internet running smoothly. Understanding TLDs helps you see how websites are categorized and how your browser finds the right place to show you. It connects to other parts of the Internet like network routing, DNS records such as records, CNAME records, and mix records, and the infrastructure that keeps websites online. Knowing about TLDs makes the whole process of browsing the Internet clearer and more straightforward.